What's up, Grill Gainz? Sunday meal prep time. Today we're doing teriyaki chicken bowls. Asian inspired, high protein, and way cheaper than takeout. Each bowl has about 50 grams of protein, tastes great, and reheats well all week. If you're new to meal prep or just need some flavor in your life, this is the one. Let's get into it. Here's everything we're working with today. We're using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And for the sides, we got jasmine rice, broccoli, and scallions for garnish. Starting with the marinade, we're going in with soy sauce first. This is your salt and umami base. Next, rice vinegar to balance the sweetness out. Sesame oil, this stuff is strong, so we don't want to overdo it. Minced garlic, this is what brings that flavor. Next, fresh ginger. This is what's going to separate your homemade teriyaki from what you get out the bottle. And finally, honey. This is going to bring that sweetness and that beautiful caramelization on the grill. Now we just bring this all together. You want to make sure everything is fully incorporated and mix it evenly. This right here smells incredible, and the chicken's going to soak it up overnight. Now I'm going to split my chicken thighs into 2 large Ziploc bags. This just makes sure every piece gets fully coated in the marinade without overcrowding the bag. Half goes in one, the other half goes in the other. Now we pour half of the marinade into one of the bags. Be sure to seal it up. Then you want to work the marinade into every piece. Do the same thing with the second bag. These are going into the fridge overnight. The longer these sit, the deeper that flavor is going to penetrate. If you're in a rush, try to marinate these for at least 2 hours. But overnight is definitely the move. Alright, to the grill. We're going to start our fire with a charcoal chimney. Pack your chimney full of charcoal and then grab your natural fire starter. Light your fire starter, put the chimney on top, then wait about 15 to 20 minutes for the charcoal to be fully ashed over. Once you see that orange glow, go ahead and pour that charcoal into the grill. I'm setting this up as a 2-zone fire. Coals on one side, nothing on the other. This gives us a hot zone for searing and a cool zone for finishing without burning. This is how you cook chicken properly over charcoal. I added some extra charcoal and now I'm going to oil the grates. This is going to prevent the chicken from sticking and also give you some nice clean grill marks. I'm adding 1 chunk of hickory directly on the coals. Hickory is a bold smoke. It's going to add depth of flavor to this teriyaki chicken that you just can't get cooking indoors. Chicken goes directly over the hot zone first. We want that initial sear to lock in that marinade and get those grill marks. Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of flavor. We're going to work this chicken between the hot and cool zones. Start over the coals to get the sear, then move to the cool side to let it finish cooking without burning the outside. Our teriyaki marinade has honey in it, which means that the sugar will burn fast if you leave it over direct heat for too long. You have to stay pretty active on the grill. We're looking for an internal temperature of 175 degrees. Every piece is temping at 175 and the glaze is set. These are coming off. Now just look at that color. This is what charcoal and hickory will do that a stovetop just never will. Now let these rest while we get our broccoli prepped. Put the broccoli into a bowl. Then we're just going to cover it in avocado oil, salt, and pepper. Keep it simple. The teriyaki chicken is the star. The broccoli just needs to be cooked well and taste clean. Make sure you mix everything well, and then I'm going to put this broccoli into my grill basket. Grill basket goes right over the coals. We want to try and get some char in this broccoli. This will only take about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure you flip it halfway through. I've already made my rice. I'm just going to fluff it up to separate the grains. Now look at this meal prep spread. It actually looks good and it tastes good. Slicing the chicken against the grain, this will keep every piece tender when you reheat it throughout the week. I'm going for consistent slices so every container looks the same. Presentation matters, even in meal prep. Rice goes in first, a generous portion too. We're not skimping on carbs here. Broccoli next. And the teriyaki chicken on top. I put some sesame seeds and some green onions on top as garnish. 1 down, 9 to go. That's 10 containers, 10 meals. Let me show you the macros. And there it is, 10 teriyaki chicken bowls prep for the week. Now here's what I want you to understand. Meal prep isn't about eating boring food. It's about being strategic. You spend 2 hours on Sunday prepping and you buy yourself back 5 hours during the week that you would have been cooking. And you save money and you hit your protein goals. That's the Grill Gainz way. Drop a comment for what meal prep you'd like to see next. Subscribe for more Sunday meal prep and I'll catch you in the next one.